what is marketing mix is really all about. I am Ezra Margaret P. Carson, and I will be discussing how marketing mix orchestrates its importance in a business. But first, let's all define what marketing mix is really all about. So marketing mix is a set of controllable elements or variables that a company uses to influence and meet the needs of its target market in the most effective and efficient way. So basically guys, marketing mix is a mix of methods on how you'll be able to grow as a company or business at the same time meeting the needs of your target market. And there are 4 principles of the marketing mix, and these are the product, promotion, place, and price. That's why it is also known as 4 P's of marketing mix. A lot of us are very hooked in fast food restaurants. But what are the reasons why these companies are very successful? Can it be their location choice? Or price? Or on how they promote their products? Or just because they're genuinely delicious and affordable? These are the elements of marketing mix, and that's our lesson for today. And for the further and deeper explanations, let's hear them from my groupmates.
Good day everyone! We are here to explore the marketing mix. So the question is, bakit nga ba mahalagang pag-aralan ang marketing mix? I am Kevin Cassandra P. Paran, here to present the first P in the marketing mix, which is the product. So ano nga ba yung product? So the product, it is the item or the service that you sell or provide to the customer's needs or wants. In choosing a product, there are things that we need to consider, especially the quality. So it earns the customer's loyalty, and nakatutulong ito upang mas lumago, mapalago, at makilala ang business na meron ka. So in order to succeed in product, quality is equals to profitable and successful business.
Good day everyone, I'm Ariel Macleod B. Dotig, here to discuss what price is all about in a business. First things first, what exactly is price? Bakit nga ba mahalagang i-consider yung pricing ng mga products? Well, it's the exchange value of goods or services in terms of money. In simpler terms, salalay rin yung pagbebenta mo ng isang product sa kung paano ka magpresyo. Nakabase rin ito sa mga customers kung affordable ba yung product na binibenta or kung tugma ba yung price sa quality ng product mo. Now, let's talk about why pricing is a big deal. Price is like the chameleon of the marketing mix in the world of business. Unlike other elements like products, place, promotion, it can change rapidly to adapt to market needs. Price is often the first thing customers notice. It sets expectations and influences their perception of value. The right price ensures a balance between profit margins and sale volume. Remember, pricing isn't just about numbers, it's about strategy.
So, meaning to say, affordability or reasonable price makes your business outshine other markets.
Place, also known as distribution, is one of the 4 elements of the marketing mix. The big decision nowadays is about where you will sell your product, in a storefront or online. Each has its own advantages. What is the goal of this element? It aims to foster good work relationships between all players, from the manufacturer to the wholesalers and retailers. This ensures products are delivered on time and maintains customer trust, growing your customer base and reputation. So, location choice is a crucial component of a business. That's why location-wise results in high profit.
So, hi guys! My name is Nilander C. Garcia from BSBM MM13. So, let's talk about promotion. So, promotion refers to the marketing activities aimed to increase the visibility or sales of product or service. There are various ways to promote a business, including advertising, sales promotion, public relation, direct marketing, and personal selling. Epekto ng promotion sa isang negosyo ay nagbibigay daan sa pagtaas ng brand awareness, pagkakaroon ng mas maraming customer at pagpapalakas ng brand loyalty. Kung ang pinakapinuno ng isang negosyo ay hindi marunong mag-promote ng kanilang produkto, maaaring mabawasan ang kanilang kita at pagunlad dahil mababawasan ang pagkilala at interes ng mga tao sa kanilang produkto at serbisyo. So, creative and wise promotion result in a sustainable business.
Good afternoon po. Ako po si Drew from PUP Santa Rosa Campus po. And for you po, sir, what is promotion po?
Yung sa promotion kasi usually ginagamit namin sa pag-propose ng mga advertisements sa social media. Yan para mas makilala yung brand namin. So usually yung mga ginagamit namin promotions, may mga free drinks, may mga buy one take one para mas ma-encourage yung mga customers na lumapit sa
Ano po? Bali, paano nakaka-apekto po sa inyo yung importance ng promotion sa business niyo po?
Doon sa business naman po, na-apektuhan to dahil sa nainggano yung mga taong bumili, like tataas yung sales natin, then yung production natin is mas dadami, then ayun.
Good afternoon po, Sir Nathaniel. Question ko lang po is, ano po yung importance ng pag-consider ng apat na 4Ps ng marketing mix?
Yung sa price po is, doon nila i-base if yung price is pasok ba sa quality ng product. Yung product naman is, doon nila malalaman if magugustuhan ba nila yung quality ng paninda, ng product. Tapos yung sa promotion is yung pag-promote ng tama. Paano nila maakit yung tao para pumunta sa store nila, gano'n. Yung place naman, yung ambience niya, if maganda ba, makapag-unwind ba sila doon, or makapag-enjoy ba sila sa place, yun, gano'n.
When it comes to pricing naman, ang amount ng product namin is umiikot lang sa 49 at 59. We are considering what type of customer we have since ang mga customer namin is mostly mga estudyante rin. Kaya yung price namin is hindi na din nababago. Doon lang kami sa kung saan yung customer namin is satisfied having afford nila yung product namin. Sa pagpili kasi ng produkto na ibibenta, kailangan i-consider kung paano. Kung napapanahon ba or tulad na lang ngayon, yung panahon natin, di ba, so yung product namin which is yung Ligro ay pumatok sa mga customer dahil na malapit sa eskwelahan. Our product consists of milk tea, iced coffee, fruit tea, brown, and meron din kami up blue for the cold weather.